When D-Wave does its calculations, it taps into parallel realities. That's the hook, right? It sounds outrageous, like sci-fi. But it's also how we ask a deeper question. If quantum machines explore many possibilities at once, who designs the possibilities they explore? Who are the architects? Okay, quick reality check. D-Wave's system is a quantum annealer. It engineers qubits to settle into low-energy solutions on a problem landscape. Whether it literally branches into parallel worlds is an interpretation, not proven fact. But as a metaphor, it's powerful. Because the shape of that landscape decides what outcomes are easy, and which are basically invisible. So, who do I call architects? Anyone who shapes that landscape. The person who encodes your problem as a cost function. The one who chooses how qubits connect, which biases to nudge, which couplers to turn up or down. The engineer who decides the schedule, the cooling curve, the tempo of the quantum dance, the noise whisperers, shielding, cryogenics, calibration, so quantum behavior survives long enough to matter. The theorists crafting embedding so real-world mess fits onto tidy quantum graphs. Here's the twist. The parallel realities are not just out there. They're designed in here. Every constraint you add creates a valley. Every penalty moves a mountain. Every bad assumption digs a hole you fall into over and over. Imagine you run logistics for a city. You map deliveries, traffic, fuel costs into a quantum objective. Forget to penalize lateness, and you get a gorgeous route, arriving after the shop closes. You didn't get a wrong answer. You got the best answer to the wrong world. Architects keep us in the right world. They do three things brilliantly. 1. Translate problems into energy landscapes that reflect reality, not wishful thinking. 2. Curate hardware topology. Align qubit connectivity to the problem's bones. 3. Orchestrate schedules and mitigation so the ground state you want is reachable. There's another kind of architect, the bridge builders. Product managers who pick real use cases, ethicists who set guardrails, designers who avoid false certainty, educators who define quantum advantage and its limits. Because hype is also a landscape. Believe quantum equals magic. Celebrate misleading wins. Believe it's a scam. Miss the useful niches. Both paths waste time. Here's my favorite part. The best architects aren't just physicists. They're domain experts who know which costs really bite. Mathematicians who spot symmetry to shrink the search. Software engineers who build hybrid loops. Ops people who measure before they model. So when the annealer calls across possibilities, who answers? Architects. People who shape possibility responsibly. If that's you, or the you want to become, answer the call.